All right, stars, thanks for attending this live session. Thanks for all your feedback on our product plans and for all the work you do educating, inspiring, and leading your communities. One last question. Think back to what questions you had when you were starting in tech. What advice would you give yourself?
What advice would I give to myself? Whoa! Hey! Oh my gosh, it took you long enough. Good to see you. You have done pretty well for yourself. I have so many questions for you. Shoot, ask away. Okay, yeah, I want to figure out how I can get to this as fast as possible. So first things first, what programming language should I use? It depends. Really? Yeah, you have to think about what is the rest of the team using? What specific problem are you trying to solve? What libraries or examples exist already to help solve the problem in that language? You also have to think about just what types of languages you might want to use. You might want to know some JavaScript in your career. It's generally good to know, but you also might want to know some more strongly typed languages like Java or C#, and dynamic languages like Python. Sometimes you need to be much more low level with something like C or Rust or Go. But when you're solving a problem, you have to try to use the right tool for the job and don't be dogmatic about it. Get comfortable using a few languages, and you have many tools in your tool belt to use, and you have less fear of picking up new ones. Always be learning. Tabs or spaces? It depends. What? That is not what the Dude Bros in any of the news groups say. They are so full of opinions. There's a lot of opinions that'll follow you forever. But think about it. Are you writing in Go or are you writing in YAML? Are they using editors that allow them to control the tab width or not? It depends. What really is evil is mixing them in the same file or passive-aggressively using that one thing while the team prefers something else. You gotta be consistent about it. I guess I shouldn't be evil. Should I use let or const for my variables? It depends. Object-oriented or functional programming? That depends too. Okay, strict, loose, or static typed languages? It depends. Dark mode or light mode? It depends. Windows, Mac, or Linux? That depends too. Joey or Chandler? Are you really asking me this question? It depends. Netscape or Internet Explorer? I bet it's Netscape. YAML, XML, or JSON? I gotta say, it depends. Okay, should I merge, squash, or rebase? It depends. Should I use semicolons? Depends on so many things. What branching model should I use? It depends. Okay, how much unit testing is enough? It depends. Vim or Emacs? That depends. On if you suck! Oh no. Oh no. Is anybody else out there?